Hey guys, it's Amelia Husky here. Today I'm watching this TV and let me sit here. Let's start.
I'm Alex Ledoux. The West Island SPCA is
what a nice
issuing
day.
an urgent plea to the public for donations because a lack of funds
What a nice
has
day.
them facing the
I can watch some
possibility
TV right now.
of shutting down.
What? Why is it turning blue? This is a test? What? I don't know what is happening right now.
The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
What is happening right now? What the heck is wrong? I don't know. What? Smiles? A? Yep, B? C? Siren Head? Let me choose C. Siren Head. I don't know, guys. Tell me in the comments. Ah! Oh my god. What the heck is happening right now? It's okay. It's just the ES alarm. No, it's not. This is not real. What the heck? Emergency warning? Oh no. What is happening?
The United States of America has issued a shelter-in-place warning for Los Angeles, Texas,
Shelter?
and Ohio. We require
Ohio?
you to stay indoors
I
at
don't
all
live in
times until
Ohio.
so.
What is happening right now? What? You got troll, haha. That's rude. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Bye.